What happens when a student and a lecturer turns a university walkway into a battleground? From a moment of anger, viral video on social media, and now potential legal consequences. What does the law say amidst all this social media drama? Hello everyone, this is Lawyer Wesabi. Welcome back to my channel. I've missed you all and I'm sending you lots of virtual hugs and kisses. Now, let's get right into what we have for today. Now, this case is deeper than what you think because it involves assault and battery, potential violation of the university rules and regulation and criminal laws, as well as claims of self-defense. Now, let's break it down from a legal perspective. What really happened? So there was an altercation between a student named Precious Mbakwe Godi, a student of Nnamdi Azikiwe University, and a lecturer named Dr. Chukwudi Okoye. Now, the lecturer side of the story was that while he was passing by, he tapped and asked her to excuse him while passing, headed to his office. And of course, he came back after she made a demeaning statement, right? And he demanded that the video of him be taken down, of which she refused, and he sought to collect her phone. That was when she attacked him and beat him. Now, on the student side, the student account, she claimed that she was being sexually harassed. So her actions were based on self-defense. Now, there are two different accounts from both parties. There is one incident, and now the law looks at evidences, not emotions. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, which is the legal issues at play. Number one, assault and battery. Who was the aggressor? We'll find out. Under Section 351 of the Nigerian Criminal Code, the law states that an assault occurs when somebody unlawfully tries to apply force on another person. If the student initiated physical violence, she could face criminal charges. If the lecturer also, let's say he retaliated, he would be held legally accountable. So the big question here is, who struck first? I'm sure you've watched the video.
Excuse me. Can you imagine? Just cheating.
Because the law sees self-defense as different from an unprovoked attack. The second legal issue at play here is the sexual harassment allegation. Is this true or is this a lie? Is this a fact or is this an allegation? Now, the student claims the lecturer touched her inappropriately. This is serious. Under the Sexual Harassment in Tertiary Institution Prohibition Act of 2021, it stipulates that any lecturer who is involved in sexual harassment could face job termination or even criminal prosecution. Even false accusations have legal consequences. Nowadays, we see how Nigerian courts are taking defamation cases seriously. It could lead to fines, it could even lead to imprisonment under Section 373 of the Criminal Code. This is why proper investigation is very crucial. And in case it is proven that there is a false allegation of sexual harassment, it should not be overlooked at. Misconduct should not be overlooked at, irrespective of the statuses of the parties involved or who they have up there, whether your mother is a lecturer or your mother is not a lecturer. Now, the third legal issue is the University Code of Conduct. Would there be disciplinary action? I love how the university responded by issuing a press release stating that investigation is going to be carried out, and once they are investigated and evidences have been brought forward and they decide on who is at fault here, legal disciplinary measures will be taken. The university have a strict code of conduct both for lecturers and students. If the student is found guilty of going against this code of conduct. She may probably be expelled or suspended. And if it's the lecturer, he may face serious disciplinary measures. Now, what happens next? We know that this matter is in the public space. Everybody has their own views. Some people are supporting the student, some people are supporting the lecturer. The university disciplinary panel has launched an internal investigation. And if assault or harassment is proven, the person can face criminal charges. The police can also be involved if assault or harassment is proven, and thereby criminal charges would follow. Now, I know that this case is in the public space and there are a lot of opinions about who is right and who is wrong. But I want you to know that there are consequences for every of your actions. Now, this case and the consequences arising therefrom can bring reputational damages, academic setback for any party that is found guilty, and also legal costs, which you know is very expensive. Now, this is why it's very important to handle conflicts the right way and work on your anger issues, because we see the importance of handling your anger or keeping your anger in check, irrespective of the fact that you were harassed, you were allegedly harassed. There's no need for you to grab somebody that is old enough to be your father by the neck and even biting him. Because one moment of reaction can lead to life-changing consequences. Yeah. So we've come to the end of this video. It's a wrap. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. I want to really hear, because this particular issue, a lot of people have been giving their own views. So some people are supporting the students, some people are supporting the lecturer. I would love to hear your own views in the comment section. Please like this video and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Lawyer Wisabi. See you some other time. Bye.